Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can save an image from your Google Docs document. Now, I'm not just talking about how to take a screenshot from the document. You could obviously do that, but the resulting quality would be very low. Instead, I highly recommend these two methods to save an image from the document with the highest quality possible. So let's get into it. The first method is pretty easy. We are going to be using Google Keep. So Google Keep is a note-taking app from Google that is integrated with Google Docs. And basically, you only need to transfer the image to your Google Keep account. So let's do that. First, you must click on the image and then right-click on it. Select few more actions. Select Save to Keep. After that, a tiny Google Keep widget will open on the right-hand side of the screen. This will show the image, and technically you could just save the image from this location, but it would still show the lower quality version of the image. If you check the image size, it will actually kind of similar to when you screenshot the image from your document, and it's not the best way in my opinion. Instead, I highly recommend to open the image right from Google Keep. You can visit keep.google.com, or you may also click on this icon to open the service. Right, now we have this image. You can click on the note and then you can right click on it and save image as to store it to your computer, and this will show you the highest quality version of the image. And that's exactly what we want to achieve from this tutorial. So that's for the first method, and I think this is pretty easy to replicate for a lot of users. But there is still another method which I think is as easy and perhaps easier than this method. So let's get into it. For the second method, we need to publish the document to the public. I know that's kind of crazy because sometimes you don't want to share confidential information to the public, and I agree with that. But technically, as long as you don't share the link of the document to anyone else, nobody knows the document. Also, we all need to set the document to public for about a minute to allow us to save the picture. I know that this is not something that a lot of people would agree with, but if your document is not very secretive, then this could be the option. First, click File, and then click Download. Oh, I'm sorry, not download, actually share, and then click Publish to Web. After that, you can click the Publish button and click OK. Right, now the document has been published. Now you can copy this URL by pressing Ctrl+C on the keyboard, and then you can open it on a new tab. Right, now we have the web version of the document, and you can just save this picture because it will be presented in the highest resolution. So if you open it on a new tab, you will see that this has the same resolution as the previous method, and perhaps this method is a bit easier and faster. And don't forget to remove the publication by clicking on this menu and then click Stop Publishing if you don't want to let other people to see the document. And after that, the document should be back to your private mode. And if you click on the document again, you refresh the page, it won't show you the document, meaning that the document has been reverted from public to private. So yeah, that's how you can save an image from your Google Docs document. I hope you find this video helpful, and if that was the case, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.